Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to block someone on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To block someone on Facebook, click on your account icon on upper right corner, click on Settings and Privacy. Now click on Settings. In left pane, scroll down under Audience and Visibility, click on Blocking. Under Manage Blocking, you will find Block Users. Once you block someone, that person can no longer see things you post on your timeline, tag you, invite you to events or groups. Just click on Edit, click on Add to Blocked List, search the person by name. I am blocking this person, Sarwa Safa, and click here on block. Now click on confirm. Again click on confirm. Now go back. If you want to see your block list, just click on see your block list, and this is the user which I blocked right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.